Yellow. Floyd Mayweather Jr. has a perfect skull-snapping jab. What is he doing differently? Why does his jab whip out perfectly even at his age? The secret is in the technique, not genetic aptitude, as that declines with age. This perfect punch has no sign of slowing down despite his old age. So what does the technique entail? Note how after his feet plant, he turns his hips clockwise as he simultaneously steps forward with the lead foot. This loads the arm, which is relaxed, loose, and ready to fire off that kinetic energy generated by his hips. Notice his stance as well. He's on the ball of his foot, on the back foot. The lead foot is turned inwards and his body is facing the bag with a slight diagonal. When he turns his hips clockwise, his back heel drops to the ground, his lead leg picks up, then steps out, and his torso turns towards the bag. Because he's not forcing it off the muscle, Floyd can do this all day. It's very technically efficient, slight movements in harmony, harnessing his force transmission system as the arm absorbs the kinetic energy generated by his hips. Floyd fires off that energy with a relaxed and fluid snap, whipping out his arm perfectly. This is why Floyd Mayweather Jr.'s punch is perfect. It's technique. He does this over and over again, staying relaxed. It's hips turning first, arm absorbing the kinetic energy, then snapping out after the lead foot plants, with the back leg trailing in. It's literally perfect technique. No wonder Floyd Mayweather Jr. is one of the greatest of all time. Legend, with this fundamental being core to his overall style. The jab is the most important punch. Floyd's truly is perfect.